Homestead Handyman here with the smartest man I know in the world, my dad. Today, we are going to work on putting a rain barrel in for him at his house. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so Dad wants a rain barrel, and we got one delivered from Amazon, and I think it's 50 gallon. And what we're going to do is come over here to the gutter area and cut in and install that right here. I guess we're going to have to remove some fence, and we're going to have to do some leveling and stuff around there. There is the supervisor making sure that I'm going to do everything right. So that will be his job today. Is that correct?
One for the Wells Fargo and one for the bank. Yeah.
Well, Carolyn's also, we got her put to work here, and she's cleaning out this bed here because we're going to put up a little fence right along here so you don't fall off this edge. And so she's got the weed job over here. Well, while digging out to make the barrel level, I think we found the remains of a pink flamingo. We'll have to excavate this and see what we have here. Well, upon further excavation, it does indeed look like a plastic pink flamingo. Let's keep digging. Okay, the rain barrel is mounted on the ground here. It's level, and it has just an ever so slight pitch to the front for drainage. Dad has gotten off of task and is over here getting the green grass. I don't know what for, but it has nothing to do with the rain barrel. All right, get back to work. You're doing a fine job. Look at that mess there. What is that? Landscape cloth?
Yeah. But you gotta get under it to get the roots of the other stuff out of here.
Oh, well, I see the roots sticking through there. You're doing a fine job. Carry on.
Thank you.
Here. Well, this is what we found. It looks like it's quite an artifact. Escaped from Florida, I don't know. But here we have the pink flamingo intact. I think I'll have to clean him up and hang him in my shop.
Put him back to sleep.
All right, so I had to put the valve on and got that all installed. Now we got to cut this side off of here because there's a hose around here somewhere that has to get installed on the side. And so we got to hacksaw this off of here, and then we got to attach this hose, which will go to the diverter. All right, so let's get this hacksawed off of here. All right, so here's the diverter that we have to cut into the gutter. We got to figure out where it goes, and then it's going to come over here and attach to the rain barrel. So we got to cut this thing out of here, cut a gap. So that's what we're going to do, mark it out here and go from there. All right, so now we can cut the gutter.
You got the fly, Donald.
What?
You got the fly.
He did.
Got it?
Yeah, I saw him on his floor this
Ah!
Aha, see, he is the fly master.
Uh-huh. we almost had a sight. I was if Carol had never tripped on the ladder or started to go, I would have grabbed her by the waist, and next thing you know, she'd be pantsless. Uh-oh. But that's what us guys do. We grab the belt and hold on to somebody's, but with the female, I don't know what to hold on to.
It's best to stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
Let's see. Kind of hold this right here. Oh, so we can go quite a ways.
gonna be what?
So something like,
Like that.
do you want to put the thing up here?
What's the direction, so?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Why
I
not?
think that, I had looked at them, it was
Oh, it has to be level, like this?
not quite level, but a little tilted.
All right, well, I guess we better read the directions. So, I mean, the one-piece hacksaw is now 1, 2, 3,
Did you find the other piece?
4, 5,
When you do a job, you do a
6
job.
pieces. Nice. Oh, look at this thing. This is fine quality here. See how tight it fits? See how tight? All right. Hey, how come it's sticking out so far?
Because you don't have it pushed in all the way.
Oh. I was really scared. All right, let me get the ladder up there.
All this for a drink of water.
It's unbelievable. All right, as you can see here, there's one worker, that's me on the camera, and there's 1, 2, 3 supervisors here. Well, I better get back to work or nothing will get done. All right, so we got it all installed. We got the barrel in, we got the diverter in, we have the assistants over here. It looks like the people from Home Improvement peering over the fence. And here's the diverter all hooked up, and the water should come down through here and then over in the hose into here, and then this is an automatic shut-off diverter, and then it should put the water down into the gutter. That's the plan. So we're going to give it a whirl. Go over to the gutter and see how it's working. All right, so we have the a test going here. Of course, it's not perfect. It leaks a little bit, and that's just the way that this thing is designed. But it has a strainer down inside there. I don't know if you can see right here. So it blocks the leaves from going into here, and then the water can continue to come along the hose, and you can hear it down in the barrel. So we have success. Yay! You going?
Yep.
You rolling?
Rolling.
All right, well, we finished the job. The barrel is all hooked up. The new fence is installed. Carolyn cleaned out the garden here, all the debris over there. We're going to plant some fancy stuff here. And me and this good-looking guy, we are exhausted. So that's it from the Homestead Handyman. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and give us the old thumbs up. Homestead Handyman, out. Yeah, well, I'm doing the beginning of a YouTube video about this.
Oh.
About putting the thing on.
So, I guess I better put my hat
You
on.
could leave it on and take it off as we go, and you can say whatever you want to say, and I'll edit anything that's X-rated.